Hello and welcome back to the Guns and Glory show. It is March 15th, 2026. We're about a third of the way into a blizzard. So I opened the door and I had to get the dustpan because I've got to get the shovel out of the back of the truck and I couldn't get out. And neither could the dog. And it was funny because he thought he was going to help and started digging. I turned around after looking for my hat and gloves and he's covered in snow. He'd been trying to dig to get out. It was funny. I was like, that is the cutest thing ever. He's gonna help. I can't get the weather, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. It was pretty, and although I had made it out to the street, it was quite fruitless because, well, you're just gonna have to see it to believe it. I was a little bit surprised. Nobody's been down here. Not even the plow truck. It took me a while to dig this out this morning. It's quite deep. And it actually started picking up, the storm started picking up when I was out here this morning. There's been another 2 inches since. There's my little sign right there for the address and the mailbox. This was surprising because the mailbox is now many feet in. I think the truck went through here once. Yeah, he went here once, and it hasn't been since I started working out here, and that was a couple hours ago. But anyway, I'll show you a little bit more when this thing's done. Oh yeah, on the trail. That's creepy sound. The trail is gone. I don't think I'm going to be able to get back there this season. Doesn't show any signs of stopping, like the song says. Yeah, I can't get back to the backyard. I got about 12 feet in, and that was enough for me. And they finally got the road a little bit wider than a one-lane road. It's about 1.5. But that's all right. I just wanted to let y'all know how this wrapped up.